Hello student, myself Kinjal Mistry. I am lecturer in Computer Department of BPMP Polytechnic. Today we learn Introduction of Operating System Concept Chapter of Operating System Subject whose code is 3330701 in Diploma Computer Engineering course. Today we learn this topic in this lecture video. Now first topic is introduction of operating system, then next basic function of operating system, then next goal of operating system, then next operating system an essential component of computer system, then next operating system from user point of view, then next operating system from system point of view, then next evaluation of operating system, and last topic we learn operating system service. Now introduction, what is operating system? Whenever we switch on our computer, laptop, tablet and mobile phone, we have to observe it to take us some time to load the home screen. Here our device starting a software in background, and this software will help you control a device and run other application. This software running when our device running, and this software stop when our device shut down. This software is nothing but our operating system. Now, what is the definition of operating system? Operating system is a program/software that manage the computer hardware and provide simple interface to the hardware for user program. It set up an environment in which a user can run program conveniently and efficiently. Now different type operating system like Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS, Windows XP, Windows 8, then Android and MS-DOS, etc. Now basic function of operating system. There are following basic function of operating system. First like memory management, second process management, third device management, fourth file management, fifth security, then sixth control over system performance, 7 job accounting, 8 error detection, and last coordination between the software and user. This is the image to provide function of operating system. Like operating system provide memory management, device management, process management, security, error detection, job accounting, file management, etc. Goal of operating system. There are two main goals of operating system. First, convenient. An operating system make a more convenient to user, and second goal is efficient. An operating system allow the computer system resource to be used in efficient manners. Now next topic, operating system an essential component of computer system. The computer system can be divided into 4 main components. First, hardware. Second, operating system. Third, application program. Fourth, user. Now hardware is the bottom level component of a computer system, and user is a top level component of computer system. Now discuss this point in detail. First, hardware. The hardware comes at the bottom level at the computer system. It contains various kind of physical device like example CPU, memory, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, etc. And then second component is operating system. Now operating system manage all hardwares, and it provides simple interface between application program and hardware. Now third component, application program. Application program perform particular task. They use different kind of functionality provided by operating system to perform their task. Example of application program like banking system, airline reservation system, web browser, etc. And the last component is user. User are at the top level component of computer system. User interact with the system by using application program to perform particular task. Operating system from user point of view. User point of view, like operating system, user is a top level component of computer system. From user point of view, operating system can be considered as an extended machine. Operating system represents the computer system as a machine which is easier to program rather than underlying hardware. Operating system acts as a layer between user and hardware and also provides simple interface between them. The primary goal of operating system is the user convenience from user point of view. Operating system from system point of view. Hardware is a bottom level component of computer system. From system point of view, operating system can be considered as a resource management. Operating system manage all the resources such as a CPU, memory, input, output device, etc. Resources are shared in one of the two ways. First, by multiplexing them in time, and second, by multiplexing in space. By multiplexing them in time, each user take a turn of use the resource, like many users to share the computer resource simultaneously. In other words, time sharing refers to the allocation of computer resource in time slot to several programs simultaneously run. Like example of CPU in this topic. Then second, by multiplexing them in space. Each user get the part of the resource user to store the multiple data in same system in same time, like example of memory. The primary goal of operating system to system point of view is efficient. Then next topic, evaluation of operating system. Starting from beginning, computer and operating system have evaluated a lot. Very early, Charles Babbage, English mathematician, designed a true digital computer. He spent most of his life to get his machine properly work. He remained unsuccessful, but as an important outcome of the effort, he realized the need of software. Evaluation of operating system can be broadly divided into four categories. First, the first generation is 1945 to 1955. In this generation, as a hardware used vacuum tube and plug board. No operating system and no programming language are developed. Introduce of punch card made it possible to write and read program instead of using plug board. Then second generation is 1956 to 1965. As a hardware device used transistor, the clean separation between designer, building, operator, programmer and maintenance personnel. Machine were called mainframe, and then first batch operating system is developed in this generation. Now the third generation is 1966 to 1918. As a hardware device used the integrated circuit, the computer became a used small and multi-programming operating system, and various of the such as time sharing, interactive, multitasking OS come in picture. Spooling concept is also introduced in this generation. Spooling is nothing but a simultaneously peripheral operation online become the same time duration. Unix become popular as an operating system. Now fourth generation. The fourth generation is 1980 to present. The features. As a hardware, large-scale integrated circuits is used in this generation, and personal computer is also developed. IBM developed the Microsoft DOS operating system, and Microsoft also has the chain of operating system which support the graphical user interface such as Windows 95, Windows 98, NT, ME, XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, etc. In a parallel to these, Unix and Linux also got a good evolution and also developed in this generation. With the development of networks of personal computer, operating system like a network operating system and distributed operating system also evaluated during this time duration. Now, last topic, operating system service. Operating system service can be described from two different point of view. First, user point of view. And then second, system point of view and user point of view, where primary goal is convenient and system point of view, the primary goal is efficient. Now first, service from user point of view. It provides different like service like is programming, execution, input output operation, error detection, etc. Now this topic discuss in detail. Now first point, program execution. The main purpose of operating system to provide the efficient and convenient manner for the execution of program. So an operating system must provide various functions for loading a program into main memory, execute it, and after execution terminate it. Then second point, input output operation. A running of the program need input output operation for reading input data and for outputting the result. This input output may be with a file or with a device, as user cannot control the input output device directly for security reason. Operating system provides service for input output operation. Third service is file system manipulation. Operating system provide file system manipulation function like create, read, write and delete a file. And fourth service is like communication. In this multitasking environment, more than one process is running simultaneously. Sometimes there is a need of exchanging information among processes. Such processes may be on the same machine or on different machine. Operating system provide mechanism for such inter-process communication. And last servicing is error detection. Error may be in user program, CPU and memory hardware or input-output device. Operating system detects such error and make a user aware from them. It also provides some error recovery mechanism. Now second service from system point of view. Now first service is resource allocation. When multiple users are sharing the same machine or when multiple jobs are running simultaneously, there is a need of fair allocation of resource among them. OS does this, means OS provide the resource allocation with same machine or different machine. Then second service is provide accounting. Accounting is the process of keeping information about which user use which resource and for what duration of time. Such information can be used to build the user in multi-user environment or to get use statistical to make a future planning. And last service is protection. OS ensure that all access to system resource is controlled and also security from outsider is important. Means operating system provide all the software to high security. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.